Your Holiness, in a world facing war and with an Ahmadi community spread around the world.
You are from Ireland?
I'm from Ireland, yes. And I'm wondering, when it comes to violence, and the local Ahmadi community will respect the laws of that country and be members of the armed forces of that country, at what stage, when two countries go to war, do you tell the Ahmadis, thou shalt not kill thy brother? In other words, at what stage does the power of love succumb to the need for physical force and violence?
You mean if some country attacks the other country and you believe that the Muslim should not kill the other one? Mm-hmm. Right, but I have already said, I quoted Quranic verse today even, that in such case, even if a country, no matter whether it's a Muslim or whatever, transgresses, attacks on the other country, so you should fight until and unless peace is established there. You are entitled to fight. No? You are not bound only. So Islam gives you the teachings which covers all the situations. Right?
Okay, I've one slight concern with that. Love for all, hatred for no one. At what stage does love...
If we are trying to protect the oppressed, this is the love for him. If we are trying to stop oppression by the cruel person, that is love for him. Right?
Thank you.